My name is Kelvin Chua. I'm a Singapore-based architect and urbanist. I run Spatial Anatomy, a practice that designs objects, spaces, and strategies for cities. In parallel, I serve as an adjunct assistant professor at the Singapore University of Technology and Design, leading design research studios on the theme of resilient urban peripheries. The current COVID crisis is really reframing our understanding of borders. From the shutting down of airports to the practice of social distancing between people, the concept, scale, and form of a border needs to be redefined. If we were to project this transcalar, multidimensional understanding of borders to the Korean context, specifically inter-Korea relations, it will assist us to approach a delicate issue in a more comprehensive way and with more nuances. Over the past decade, I have had the opportunity to lead research and engagement workshops in North Korea through a non-profit group called Chua Exchange. Working on the ground in North Korea really reveals the multiplicity of a border. Apart from the symbolic and physical border of the DMZ, the social border, the cultural border reinforces the different levels of divide between both sides of Korea. And also, the different levels of regional development throughout North Korea requires a customized strategy of engagement. So perhaps we need to look beyond the symbolic border of the DMZ and think of the border regions of North Korea as a form of a larger extended region and larger extended border. So we have been running a series of research design studios at the university focusing on resilience peripheries. The periphery can be perceived as a larger gradated border, a territorial boundary between the urban and rural, between different socio-economic configurations. More importantly, the periphery offers insights into new forms of living and working environments that escape traditional forms of a city. We have worked on urban villages in Guangzhou, office parks in southern Singapore, and commuter settlements in Malaysia. The most recent studio critically examined the Hwanghae province as a productive peripheral region in North Korea. The premise of our studio was that for inter-Korea projects to be successful, it needs to go beyond symbolic projects, such as the high-speed rail connection between Seoul and Pyongyang. Located between the DMZ and Pyongyang, Hwanghae province can be perceived as an extended border territory. By focusing on its development, it can encourage gradual experimentations and peaceful transformation between the two Koreas. What I'd like students to take away from the workshop is to understand the political and social complexities of borders. In particular, to rethink the border not as a line, but a larger peripheral territory with its latent conditions. We will do this through an exercise of constructing an atlas of border peripheries around Asia. Through cartography, we will reveal the emerging urban typologies and their latent productive and resilient functions, speculating their ability to respond to pressing urban challenges ranging from climate change to health epidemics. And hopefully through the process, we can extract some learning points and application to the border closer to home.